What's up guys, this is your boy JaaM Javed. Welcome to my channel Crazy JaaM. So in this video I am going to blast this mini golak. We call it golak in our local language, but I do not know what we call in English. Come close, cameraman, come close. Guys, look at the golak and look at the bomb. What is this? Guys, if you enjoy the video, please like, share this video and subscribe to my channel. We will see you in the next video.
Olmaz derler. Onlar gibi düşünmedikçe çoban derler. Biz Müslümanız, düşüncemiz hüsnü zandır, bak istediğin